In this video, we'll walk you through how to set the X and Y offsets for your printer head. To get started, you'll need a crosshair alignment tool and a device with a front-facing camera. If you're using an Android device, download the Phone Buddy app from the Hyrel 3D Wiki. If you're on an Apple device, go to Settings, tap Camera, and turn on the level feature. Then switch to the front camera and place your phone on a flat level surface. You should see a crosshair appear on the screen. Once your tool is ready, place your phone right side up beneath the first nozzle. Your goal is to align the nozzle tip with the center of the crosshairs. When it's perfectly aligned, go to Head Offsets in Repertoire and click the red Zero Offsets button. This sets the first head as your reference point. Next, move to the second head and adjust its nozzle until it's aligned with the same crosshair center. Then in Repertoire, select the second head and click Grab Offsets. This saves the new position relative to the first nozzle. Now that both offsets are saved, click Go To for each head to confirm they return to the correct positions. Thank you for watching.